You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this pasta sauce, which is originally from Italy, but I think the English language has taken the word from the French word, which is this one, which is pronounced in French as Bolognese. Bolognese, which, if you want to learn how it is to be pronounced genuinely in Italian, with a different spelling, make sure to stay tuned. We've got the video for you. In English, it's generally pronounced as Bolognese. Bolognese. Yes, like spaghetti bolognese. But yes, that's not how you pronounce it. But in French, it is genuinely pronounced Bolognese, which means from Bologna in Italy. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.